Good afternoon guys, it's Julie Coob here from Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. What I thought I would do, I'm just trying it on this 40 by 50 centimetre canvas, just doing my lines of the colours and then I'll swipe each colour, but as you know things change as I go along. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to get cracking on this. So the colours of the official is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So not that I'm ever anyone for doing anything officially, but I will try my best. So okie doke, I'm going to literally go down keep true to the colours, I suppose, in a certain. This looks a little bit thick on this end, but not sure. Red, orange, might just get all the colours there. Yellow, see how many, because I'm not one for measuring and seeing how I can get 7 colours on there and where they've got to come to. Orange, green. So this is just to spread a bit of cheer. My friend Julie told me that in England they're doing rainbows and things and putting them in their windows and hanging them on their letterboxes and such. So I just thought we could do that in Australia. Have these nice bright colours. Blue, indigo, which is just my plain old purple in my Montmartre paints. These are all Montmartre paints, my studio acrylics. Look at the bright vibrant colours they've got. Never fail. They're always beautiful. Okay, I'll put my colours over there. Put my colours there, and then there's the violet. Violetta, are you better? Are you well? I'm not going to sing, I promise you. Not got a very good voice. I haven't got a voice. I haven't got a good voice, definitely. Not even when I'm, mind you, not that I'm ever drunk, but. Okay, so let's go back and fill in the blanks. Blankety blank. Okay. Yellow. Thinking by the time I've finished the forced isolation, I'll have so many paintings. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do with them. I will be definitely looking to gift a lot. Definitely like to do that. Always got friends and family that want a piece, so that's nice. Oops, a days. Oh, I've gone through me violet with me purple. Purple. Okay. Okie doke. I'm not sure if I want to move this too far because I don't really want them mixing. And this is my test piece, as I've said to you. I just want to see if I can keep it all together. Oh my goodness, without mixing too much. So it's just gently going from side to side.
Did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest.
I was going to swipe down, and I'm thinking that the darker colours, I'll go with the swipe of silver over them because it'll still show through. So let me give this a go.
They say time is a healer, just you wait and see.
The Montmartre silver and silver and gold have turned out to be, just gorgeous. They make everything shimmer. Okay, let's just do this. I'm not sure whether I should squiggle it. Squiggle it.
Honest, tell me, should I know that you believe in me? So painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on.
Peeps, I've decided to go in a different. I wasn't. I didn't think that my balloon work would actually be beneficial in this, so I've got my silicone pastry brushes and tried so I can actually, mix some of the colours instead of it being straight lines, because I'm not one for straight line. I did try a little bit of a white swipe because the silver is really non-existent, too much. So I'm just going to try, I tried these silicone brushes, so to just sort of mix some of the colours so it's still got that rainbow effect, she said, but it's obviously not. Go back up this way. Yeah, so I just thought I'd put my own little twist in it, as you do. So I'm going to just come back the other way with this one. Okay, just nice and lightly. Yep. Trying to wipe it off in between swipes so I don't start to get the colours too muddied. I'll go through here. So it's still keeping the rainbow effect. I'm gonna go the colours anyway. Yeah, I kind of like that better. I like this actually, that looks nice. So it's kind of like a unity knot. Is that what they call it? A unity knot, I think. Let's go back with this. Take this one right over as some. Oh my goodness, I've got the blue in it, but there you go. Look at that, there's all the colours of the rainbow right there. Actually, maybe that's what I should have done. I might do a big sweeping. Oh yeah, love that. No, I'm not going to do any more. I do like that. I'll give it a little hit with my Wonder Wand. So all your rainbow colours in unity with one another. Look at that. Oh, I like that. That might be the way I'll go on my big canvas unless I think otherwise. Do like that. Okay guys, I'm happy. I'm going to step away from the canvas. There is my rainbow of colours. Wow, I do like that. I like it. Look what that silicone pastry brush brings out, some great effects. I will put some finished photos up. But yeah, then it sort of whetted my appetite for my longer one, my 80 centimetre long by 50. So I do like that. Okay, thanks for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I appreciate it. It's free. And if you have subscribed, thanks so much, and thank you all for watching. Until the next exciting painting episode, bye for now. Keep safe.
So painfully quiet.